Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mango horchata. I know last time you guys got a little bit startled, you know, that I didn't soak that particular one. This one I did soak for you guys, but it's going to be up to you guys. If you have time, soak it. If you don't have time, it's going to be equally as good. So let me go ahead and show you how to make this. Okay friends, we're ready for some more horchata. So you're going to add your desired amount of cinnamon. For this recipe, I'm not going to be adding clove. That's for more of the vanilla-ish regular one that really brings it out. For this one, it's a little bit different. And I did soak my rice overnight for this recipe, because a lot of people had a fit about the last one.
If you washed your rice, that's
If hilarious. I washed my rice, did I soak it overnight? It's like, how do you think recipes came about? By doing things differently. And I'm okay. You guys already see me. I'm different.
PSA, everything's been washed.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and blend this for about 4 to 5 minutes. And what I'm using is a Ninja Professional 1000 watts. What's up, Ninja? We're still waiting for you. I have an email address if you're interested, for business only, guys. Ready, set, go. Okay, once you've blended your rice with your water mixture,
What in the world?
You don't want to do that. You want to strain it gently, okay?
¿Te pasa? ¿Qué estabas haciendo?
And if you blend it really good, you'll see that most of it stays at the bottom and saves you a little bit of time.
Splish, splash, I was taking a
Mira,
bath.
you look really beautiful there. How about you hand me some paper towels?
Clean up on aisle 1.
Really?
Yeah.
Let me go ahead and rinse my blender, and I'll see you guys here for the next step. Okay, friends, now that you strained your rice water and you cleaned up a bit, pour it back in the blender. And if you see the little rice stuff right here, you want that. Don't leave it in the bowl. You want to make sure you get all of it in here. I know a lot of people get startled when they see the rice build up at the bottom. All you got to do is get a spoon, mix it around, okay? So now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and add our mango. Okay? Wow, I'm being really messy today.
You can use fresh or frozen.
Fresh or frozen, yeah, that'll work. I know some of you like to cut corners for everything, so if you have a mango juice, go ahead and use that.
Hey, I'll cut a corner if it's gonna save me 5 minutes.
Yeah, but just don't add the sugar if you're already using the juice that has the sugar in it. So go ahead and add your sugar. And I'm gonna leave my suggestions and the recipe are gonna be in the description for you, friends. Okay, just gonna pour it in and try not to make a bigger mess than I have. So I'm gonna add a few mangoes right here. And these are frozen mangoes that I'm adding, and you can make this frozen, fresh, you guys know. All right, friends, this is how you make a mango horchata. I need this for the recipe that I made for my family right now, and let me tell you, it's light, refreshing, and delicious. It's gonna be up to you if you wanna add sugar. I'm leaving my my recipe with the sugar suggestion there for you, but if you're not having sugar, you can still blend these together and have an equally as delicious, fresh horchata. That's so good. If you guys are new to the channel, please take the time to subscribe if you like the way I'm giving you the recipe. And on that note, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Adios!